It just, well, hang on a sec. Daryl, what's going on, buddy?
X, the cyclists are coming. Minutes to get up in the air.
I got this. Holy I love a portable drone. As a matter of fact, the Mavic Mini, the Mini 2 is probably the most portable and one of the most capable drones on the planet. But when it comes to jobs like this, the client wants 4K, H.265, 10-bit color. Yes, that both of these drones can deliver, and the Mini 2 cannot. Can't just throw Mini 2 up there and get away with it. His editor's going to know. Apart from that, the Mini 2 cannot shoot in log, which most professionals need to match their ground cameras. It gives them the most flexibility so that you can't really tell the difference when you're looking at the final products. This is ovarian cancer awareness. There are some cyclists going to be riding bicycles, and I don't even know why I'm talking to you right now, because he's gonna call any second now and be like, they're coming with their bicycles and I've got to be ready. This road's pretty busy, as you can see, and the cyclists are gonna be right there on the bicycle path, which is very hard to see from here. I've got a little stretch to catch them. I've got here by the mall. There's a mall somewhere right up there, right? And then there's a building right here, somewhere over here. It looks like it's far away because I'm on a wide angle lens. Those two buildings are literally probably 1,500 feet apart, and those cyclists are going to be moving probably anywhere from 10 to 15 miles per hour. And when he gives that call to go up and shoot, I've got to go up and shoot. The only angle I've got is facing that road, and that means I'm going to be flying sideways. And because I'm going to be flying sideways and I'm the only person out here, maybe if I had a spotter or two to tell me if I'm about to fly sideways into something and smash, then yeah. And then I got here kind of late, so I didn't really get a chance to scout that good. So I think I have a good idea of what I'm doing, plus I have experience, but I just don't want to smash into anything, ruin the shot, ruin the footage, lose a drone, catastrophe. It just, well, hang on a sec. Daryl, what's going on, buddy?
X, the cyclists are coming. Minutes to get up in the air.
I knew I shouldn't have been doing this. Gotta go. Going to be maxing out at the full side sensor capability of 22 miles an hour. I feel like even if I get carried away or I miss the shot and I need to catch the riders up and reframe the shot and work my way around or do whatever magic just to get that shot for these guys, I need to make sure I can fly at the side as safe as possible. That was a close one, prattling off to you guys, but I think I got something. I think I got something. Whoa, at one point, I think I came up close to a pole there, but man, oh man. The most important thing is that I got the shot safely. I think I got the shot safely. So there you have it. They're not long shots, they're not super fancy or anything, but they just need to share that story, to show that journey, and this drone footage becomes real integral. Now they're going to color grade it themselves. All you're seeing is my rendition or my color grade. I don't know what their own is going to look like. I'll leave links below to all the ovarian cancer research material that I have. In case you want to click on it, check it out, maybe donate, help towards the cause. And of course, become a patron, guys. $1, that's all it takes. You get direct access to me. Ask me any questions. I'm here to help you, whether it's Evo 2, Air 2S, should I say the new Autel lineup or the Mavic 3? Yeah, whatever it's gonna be, and more on that coming. So guys ask me all the time, why do I love this drone so much? It's not the most compact, but for its compact size, it is the most capable. It's the most capable camera with the most capable sensors that we have right now, at a very capable price to get the job done. And this is why I tell people, if I could only have one drone, it would be this. But fortunately for me, I can have more than one drone. Normally I'll go for this. I will go for the most portable, will win the cake for me anytime, because it's just less liability, less risk, because it's lighter, it's smaller, it can do less damage. So you typically want to go for the lighter drone as long as it's capable. And this would usually be my first choice. So if other jobs that are less high risk, more straightforward, or I have help to help me out with filming and spotting and stuff like that, then yeah, I would probably go with this guy. On a side note, do you know that most crashes occur when you're flying your drone sideways? And check this link up here. I made a video that shows you how not to crash when you're flying sideways. I hope this video was helpful or useful in some way, shape, or form to help answer your questions. I get it, not everybody can afford this. I also get it. This is probably the best drone if you're just a photographer or a casual filmer and you want to fly day and night. Love this too, nothing against it, and that's why I have both, and I'm enjoying both. So with that being said, make sure you hit thumbs up, make sure you hit subscribe, and hit the bell so you get notified when I release new videos. I hope this video was helpful, and I will catch you guys whenever I can. Make sure you become a Patreon, guys. Big benefits to Patreon. Get direct access to me. Any questions? I'm right here on Patreon. Support this channel, and there's benefits. Last Mini 2 went all the way to the UK.